Okay, so I'm Frederic Cazals. I'm a research director at Inria, leading the team called Algorithms, Biology, Structure. And so as the name suggests, so we are interested in understanding how biomolecules function, meaning how they account for all the biological functions we know of. And so as a very simple example, we all know about this COVID SARS-2 virus. And for example, the spike of the virus is a protein which is managing the infection process. And so we would like to understand how such proteins operate. So this is the main goal of our research. Yeah, and so as I just said, the research topic is about understanding biomolecules. And so this is a very complicated endeavor because, as we know, every atom has 3 Cartesian coordinates, x, y, and z, which means that if we have, let's say, 10,000 atoms, we have 30,000 coordinates to deal with. And so by understanding biological processes at the molecular level, I mean understanding the structure, the thermodynamics, and the kinetics of all such processes. And so this requires understanding the geometry and the biophysics of the molecules. Yes, indeed. So we have plenty of collaborators, but I would say these days, so our main collaborators are typically biophysicists because they know about the geometry, the algorithms, and also, of course, the biophysical models. And so I could cite, for example, David Wells from Cambridge University, and David also holds a chair within our 3IA. And we also, of course, have a number of local national collaborators. Proteins, molecules, conformations, geometry, high-dimensional spaces, correlations, structure, thermodynamics, kinetics, timescales. Yeah, maybe the things I'm most proud of is the software development we have been undertaking for the past decade, because in fact our domain requires assembling complex pieces of software because we are borrowing biological models, we also embark chemical models, we need to perform physical calculations which are raising computer science and applied math problems, and so cooking a software which manages all these aspects is really challenging. And so what I'm very proud of is our library, which is called the Structural Bioinformatics Library, the SBL. Yeah, well, of course, all people who are funding our activity, Inria, of course, and also the 3IA, which is putting things in perspective because, of course, these days we are challenged by AI at large, and so it forces us to somehow to rethink our approaches. And so, yeah, Inria and the 3IA.